Hello, everyone, and welcome to AI Motion Studio. Today, we're looking at an incredible tool for content creators, the YouTube ScriptCopilot. It's a desktop app designed to generate video and audio scripts using advanced AI. First, let's explore what it does. I'm looking at its product page now. You can upload any video or audio file, and the software analyzes the actual content, not just a title or topic, to build a complete script around it. In a single click, it provides two separate scripts, a detailed one for a YouTube video, complete with visual cues and B-roll suggestions, and a polished script that's perfect for a podcast or audio-only format. It's powered by over 12 different AI models, including top-tier ones like Google's Gemini and OpenAI's GPT 4.0. It even has a built-in AI voice generator. Now, let's see it in action. I've launched the application on my Mac. The first step is to enter my API key, and for this demo, I'm using my Gemini key. Next, I need to provide some content. I've chosen a short video that's a side-by-side comparison. On the left screen, there's a real woman doing a TikTok-style dance. On the right, there's a completely AI-generated woman mimicking the exact same choreography. I'm uploading this video file into ScriptCopilot and adding a short text description for extra context. Now I'm clicking Generate Scripts. The AI is analyzing the video frames and the context I provided. And there we have it. The app has generated a comprehensive YouTube script detailing everything from the intro music to visual cues with timestamps and a full voiceover. It's also created a separate, clean audio script. But here's a fantastic feature for podcasters or anyone who prefers not to use their own voice. I'm now clicking the Generate AI Voice button on the audio script. The app is converting the text into a natural-sounding voiceover. Let's have a listen.
Hello, and welcome to the podcast. Today, we're talking about a viral video that showcases a truly mind-bending leap in AI technology. It's a short TikTok-style dance clip, but what it represents is huge. I want you to picture a video that's split right down the middle. On the left-hand side, there's a real woman with long, dark hair wearing a white top and a black skirt.
That sounds fantastic. The quality is production ready. I can now download this WAV file directly from the app. The software is available for both Windows and macOS, and it's a one-time purchase of just $30, no subscriptions. To take this a step further, I'm now going to use this generated audio to create a full video with a talking avatar. I'm using a service called HeyGen. I've generated an image of a male host sitting in a studio, and I'm uploading that image along with the audio file we just created with ScriptCopilot. After a few moments of processing, the final video is ready. Let's watch the end result, which combines our AI-generated script, AI-generated voice, and an AI-generated host, all talking about an AI-generated dancer.
Hello, and welcome to the podcast. Today, we're talking about a viral video that showcases a truly mind-bending leap in AI technology. It's a short TikTok-style dance clip, but what it represents is huge. I want you to picture a video that's split right down the middle. On the left-hand side, there's a real woman with long, dark hair wearing a white top and a black skirt. She's in a photo studio, and she's about to dance to Beyoncé's Single Ladies. Now, on the right-hand side, there's another woman. She's in a stylish brown mini dress and black heels. She's standing in the exact same pose as the first woman, but here's the catch. She's not real. She is a complete AI animation generated from a single static photograph. The AI's job is to watch the real dancer on the left and perfectly copy her every move. As the music starts, they both begin with these smooth, flowing arm waves from side to side. The real dancer is fluid and natural. The AI version is shockingly accurate. The timing is perfect. If you were just glancing, you might not even notice one wasn't real. Then, the choreography gets a bit more complex. They both raise their arms high above their heads and do a quick, stylish turn. The AI dancer follows without missing a beat. Listening to this, you can imagine the challenge. The AI has to understand the 3D motion of the real person and re-render it onto a 2D image of a different person, all while making it look natural. Next, they go into another signature move from the song, raising one arm high in the air, as if to signal "put your hands up." They both lean into the pose, and again, the synchronicity is incredible. The AI even replicates the subtle sway in the dancer's body. The short routine finishes with a few more quick arm movements, and they end in a final confident pose, holding up peace signs with both hands. From start to finish, the AI has created a believable, dynamic video of a person dancing, all from a single photo and a reference video. The implications are massive, from personalized avatars to new forms of content creation. It's a powerful glimpse into a future where the line between what's real and what's generated is becoming increasingly blurred. It's both exciting and a little bit unsettling, isn't it? That's all for today's breakdown. Thanks for tuning in.
As you can hear, the result is a complete, ready-to-publish YouTube video created in just a few steps. The lines between real and AI-generated content are blurring faster than ever. That's all for today. You can find the link to YouTube ScriptCopilot in the description. Thanks for tuning in to AI Motion Studio.